The war you do not see. Unplug to plug in to what truly matters most. Everyone says, oh, this is normal. Everyone's doing it. Screens are harmless. Look at the kids. They seem fine. Adults seem fine. Us humans are not really fine. Everyone says, oh, we're more connected than ever, but we're actually more disconnected physically than ever. And children are being raised inside a digital battlefield engineered to capture their nervous systems, identities, to capture their loyalty, to capture their commitment. And so are adults. It just sucks people in. So the war we do not see is the war that's going on through these screens, which you are watching right now. And we are wanting to help you unplug to plug in to what truly matters most. Your connection with God that is within every cell of your being, your mental and physical health, your family. These need to be the top priorities, not all the other, anything dealing with technology and through screens and all the events and all, people can be gathered, 10,000 people can be gathered, but they are so disconnected and our mental health is very questionable. It is sad, the state of the mental health that is going on in the nation and in the world, but we can help. We can start with ourselves by stepping away from the screens. And what we ask you to do is step away from the screen right now, take some deep breaths, what we learned was the 10-second miracle breath. Breathe in 5, breathe out 5. Do this multiple times. Turn off your phone, turn off the noise, turn off your distractions. Do some quiet time. Check out our video on quiet time, search for it, and learn to connect with the true source that is within you. You don't have to go to other people. Those answers aren't through that screen. And there are people that are helping greatly through the technology. But what are you spending your time on? What is your family spending your time on? Do you guys do digital well-being check-ins every night? Check our videos out for that and watch it together. And you're may receive resistance, but it is worth the health of you and your family. So we appreciate you. We are thankful for you. No one nor family should do life alone. So do reach out and connect with us and take care.